Hi there, so I just wanted to tell you about this amazing new software that's recently come out called Jasper Art, and it uses artificial intelligence to create amazing pieces of art in just a few seconds according to your exact instructions. Now, it's not 100%, it's a bit hit and miss. It produces 4 images, sometimes they're a little bit off, but a lot of the time one of those 4 images would just be exactly what you might want to illustrate your blog or social media post or whatever you want to use this artwork for. So let me give you a couple of quick examples. So I really like chess. I know a lot of people think it's boring, whatever, but anyway. So one thing I put in chess players watching TV. Okay, just for a random example. So mood, I'm putting romantic, medium, how about graffiti, inspiration Andy Warhol, style, I don't really know what the difference in postmodern and realism is or whatever, but let's put that. Keywords, full face portrait. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. So I just clicked it. This is real time, I'm not pausing or anything. So here we go. So I think that's pretty amazing. Now I can't see any evidence of TV. I think if you put too many things in here, it gets a bit, because it's got all these other things to do as well. So okay, so they're not really watching TV, but even so, as works of art, I think these are really sort of fascinating. Okay, so let's try another one. I've put how about elephants playing football? And let's have them as gloomy this time. Let's have Monet. I don't know how good you are at anime. Yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty good. It's got the elephant and the football. These two are, it looks like their trunks have like merged together. So it's just a bit weird sometimes, but that might be the best one. Anyway, it's only $20 a month. So follow me for more tips.